Capitola Village, the perfect beach destination, great shopping, and amazing restaurants. Our property today is tucked in one of the best neighborhoods in Capitola, and it's close to all the action. Gilroy Drive, one of my favorite streets in the Capitola Beach neighborhood. And here we are at 720 Gilroy Drive. Here we are inside this stunning Craftsman home that was completely renovated in 2008. Right here, Gourmet chef's kitchen, ready for all your entertaining. The spacious living room, and did I mention there are 2 bedrooms right here on the ground floor. Upstairs is this awesome primary retreat with its own private balcony, fireplace, and a spa-like bathroom. And one of my favorite things about this location is, this property is right next to Gayle's Bakery. So if you like anything you've seen today, reach out to me and get all the details. Look forward to hearing from you.